Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Echinacea roots step by step. First, select an ideal spot in your garden. Echinacea thrives in full sun, so pick a location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial, so if your soil is heavy clay, amend it with plenty of organic compost to create a healthy environment for your new plants to flourish. Once your site is ready, it is time to prepare the roots for planting. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and about the same depth. Carefully remove the Echinacea from its container and gently tease apart any roots that are circling. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball, or the crown, is level with the ground. After planting, watering is essential for establishment. Give your newly planted Echinacea a deep, thorough watering to help settle the soil around the roots and eliminate air pockets. For the first growing season, maintain consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. Applying a 2-inch layer of organic mulch, such as shredded bark or compost, will help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds effectively. With proper care, your Echinacea will provide beauty for many seasons. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming and a longer display. These wonderful plants are not only beautiful, but also attract a variety of beneficial pollinators, including bees and butterflies, to your garden. Once established, Echinacea is quite drought-tolerant, making it a low-maintenance and rewarding addition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.